Okay, so hello people. So I know today's video is coming a little bit late, and I'm extremely sorry for that. But today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2108. Find first palindromic string in the array, and in this we'll be given a string of words, and we have to return the first palindromic string in the array. And if there is no such string, we have to return an empty string. And a string is palindromic. I hope everyone knows that if it reads the same from forward and backward. And in the first case, we are given words as ABC, car, race car, cool, but we have to return ADA because it's the first string that's occurring in the words array, and it's a palindrome. Okay, and it's a very basic code. We'll be traversing through all the strings and we'll be checking that if the current string is palindrome, then we'll be returning it. Okay, so let's use the for loop for it. That for oh yeah, for string word in words, what I'll be doing is I'll be checking that if it is palindrome, if is palindrome word, I'll be returning the word simply. Okay, and if I find nothing, then I have to return an empty string, or I have to return an empty string. Okay, so now let's write the function private boolean is palindrome, and in that what we have to will be accepting a word, and that will be like, let's have the 2 pointers, that is left equal to 0 and right equal to word dot length -1, and then use a while loop that while left is less than right. What we have to do, that if word dot char at left is not equal to word dot char at right, we have to return false. In this case, return false. Else what we have to do, left plus plus and then right minus minus, and at the end let's just return true. Now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.